Chandan, tell us about your encounters with civil services. What are you working now as?
Sir, currently I am assisting in a coaching center, sir, in order to support my own studies.
कहाँ पे? Here?
Yes, sir, in Delhi only.
Delhi only?
Yes, sir.
Since when?
Sir, for last 3 years, sir.
उससे पहले नौकरी किया कुछ नहीं?
किया है सर 15 महीने को.
Where?
In Mumbai, sir.
With whom?
Capgemini, sir. It's
Capgemini?
Yes, sir.
You are into consulting?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm a mechanical engineer, sir. But through campus placement, sir, I could get into.
नहीं तो Capgemini में क्या करते थे? Consulting ना?
Yes, sir. Consulting.
In what field?
Sir, IT, sir.
IT?
Yes, sir. Actually, पहले गया था. When I went there, sir, it was mainly, sir, that we were taught to prepare for this making websites, sir, on Java platform. Then I was given an opportunity to work on Drupal, sir, and then after 15 months, sir, I resigned from there to prepare for civil services.
So you worked only for 15 months?
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
And with Capgemini, and for last how many years are you preparing for civil services?
Sir, it's 4 years, sir.
So where all have you been earlier? To interview?
No, sir.
The first time you came for the interview?
Yes, sir. This is my first interview, sir.
Earlier you appeared for the mains? No.
Yes, sir. I have, sir.
How many times?
Sir, this was my second main, sir.
Last year you didn't clear the mains.
Sir, last year actually I could not clear the prelims, sir. I missed it, sir.
उससे पहले साल?
उससे पहले साल किया था, sir.
Okay. So this time you're confident?
Yes, sir.
Why? Based on what?
Sir, based on my preparation, sir. I have been preparing, sir. Last time it was unfortunate that I could not clear the prelims, sir. But this time, sir, after clearing my prelims, I prepared well for my mains. And I was hopeful that I'll get a call for interviews.
What for Gaya is important?
Sir, Gaya is mainly important because of its mythological reasons, sir. First is because of Buddha, sir. Buddha got enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. And next is, sir, because of Vishnupad temple, sir, which is very important for Hindu religion, sir, for Pindadan purpose.
Do you think that the preparations is satisfactory during period of giving ovation to departed souls? The state government makes arrangement for people coming from different states, countries, etc. What should be done to make the life more appropriate and more conducive?
Sir, actually Gaya holds immense significance, sir, and particularly during the Pitru Paksha, sir. People from around not only India, sir, but also from other nations, mainly of Hindu faith, they come to India. They come to Gaya, sir, to offer Pindadan for their departed souls, sir. Mainly in order to improve their stay and their experience in Gaya, sir, the very first thing needed is, sir, to improve the transportation either from the airport or from the railway station to the temple, sir. Then, sir, nearby temple we see that whenever suppose pilgrim comes, sir, in that case the point is that the pandaj, sir, they actually disturb a lot and they try to extract immense, and this actually creates a very uncomfortable situation for anyone who comes, sir. So there is a need to regulate this activity of the pandaj, sir. Next comes, sir, with respect to stay, sir. Regarding the stay, sir, there is nearby hotels, even though there are very few, but they are not in very good condition, sir. And again, sir, with respect to transportation also, sir, this the parking facility, it is not very nearby to the temple, but actually it is very far off, sir. So in my opinion, sir, if we work on all these aspects, sir, definitely it can be improved.
What are other problems? Other problems, just for example, activism by Maoist, etc.
Yes.
Gaya is also known for more such activities.
Yes, sir.
How it should be controlled?
Sir, actually now, sir, actually Maoist activity has declined significantly in recent times, sir. But Gaya is still among the 4 districts which is infested by Maoists till recently, sir. In order to improve the the moist condition and to reduce their impact, sir. Recently some steps have been taken, like improving the police condition, police patrolling. Then there are steps like building of roads, increasing the employment opportunities, sir.
Jahanabad, newly created state, has been excluded, but Gaya is still in that list.
Yes, sir, Gaya is still there, sir.
What is lacking?
Sir, mainly, sir, the Gaya actually it borders with Jharkhand, sir. The particularly certain areas like we see, sir, Dobhi, Barachatti, these are some of the areas, sir, through which there is actually moist movement continuously across to BC towards the North Bihar and further to Nepal, sir. So these are some of the areas where if patrolling can be improved, then, sir, and perhaps a few more CRPF camps if we can establish, sir, then I believe that it can be controlled to a greater extent, sir.
What is your opinion on the budget this time?
Sir, actually with respect to this year budget, we see, sir, it was a very delicate balancing exercise for the government, sir. The government, actually the economy is slowing down, but government was also, since the taxes were reduced, the total tax that could be collected, so it was very difficult balancing exercise, sir. But we see that the effort has been, the government has tried to stick with the fiscal consolidation, which is actually very good. But in order to bring in certain investments, sir, the government has tried to go for a massive disinvestment exercise to the tune of 2.1 lakh crores, sir. Then there are scope for public-private partnership in almost all aspects, sir. We see that with respect to hospitals also and various other activities, sir. So I think that it was quite a balanced budget, sir. But certain steps with respect to, we see, sir, that education or with respect to health sector, sir, it could have been improved, sir, or even with respect to Manrega.
How it could have been improved, health sector particularly?
Sir, with respect to Manrega, sir, the allocation, if I'm not wrong, sir, it's roughly around 60 to 70,000 crores, sir. But last year we saw that actually whatever the last year budget was, it actually exceeded and more demand was there, sir. So if the Manrega budget could be increased, and by side, sir, if we could try to reduce this food budget or this fertilizers budget mainly, sir, then perhaps more allocation to Manrega means, sir, more rural demand, which could have spurred the economy, sir.
In this budget, lot of expectations were there from auto sector, which is ailing in India for the last almost 1 year, though we are one of the second largest manufacturing base. What were the issues which ailed auto sector?
So with respect to auto sector, we see that we are among the major producers as well as exporters of auto vehicles, sir. But in recent time we saw that there was actually reduction. Mainly the few factors that I can talk of is, sir, first is, sir, the transition from BS4 to BS6, sir. The next is actually, sir, that the auto companies actually they continued producing their inventory, but they could not gauge the future demand or whether there will be a slump. This was one of the factors that one of the actually cement industry doing. He said that this is one of the mistakes made by this auto sector, sir, that they could not actually gauge the demand, how it is going to be in future. I mean, sir, there will be a reduction, so accordingly they should have reduced the production. So actually it was a piling up of inventory, sir. The third factor, it can be, and it was actually said by the finance minister as well as, sir, chairman of Maruti, that actually there is a shift in the behavior of youngsters, that rather than buying they are going for pooling, which will be because, sir, in cities we see that there is actually lack of this, sir, parking space, sir. So rather than buying, they try to go for pooling through various apps. We saw Ola, Uber. So
why was there a drop in, you said, consumption? They could not anticipate. There were very clear reason why there was a drop in consumption or the demand of automobiles.
Sir, since there was a shift from BS4 to BS6, so perhaps what consumer thought was that we should wait for the new technology.
Correct.
Next.
That is
Both the points, and the other one also, he says, because the finance minister spoke, usko toot ke pad gaye. But it's a fact. the youngster is not proud of owning a car now. He rather have this app of Ola, Uber and enjoy life.
Other factors? Electric cars,
Then sir,
that is catching up. Third factor, GST rates on two-wheel.
yes,
They have
sir.
been now crying for the last 1 year ke ghatao. Both Bajaj and Bajaj came out openly on TV, and Rahul Bajaj said,
Yes, sir.
okay, if on one hand we are addressing common man, on other hand he has to pay 28% on Mobike, which is hell of a lot.
Yes, sir.
ये दो दिन रखो. You tried in CDS also twice.
Yes, sir. Sir, once I was conference out, and next time I was actually sir, screening out. Sir.
What is nitty-gritties of Bodo Accord, which has been signed recently?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, Bodo Accord actually it aims
What is
to.
the origin of Bodo problem?
Sir, Bodo problem actually, sir, if we see toward in the northern, some of the northern districts, particularly Kokrajhar, Dhubri and all districts, sir, actually there is predominance of Bodo population. But when they saw that there is influx of, I mean, sir, non-Bodo people, then the issue arose that they saw that their identity, it was under threat. So their demand was for a separate Bodo land so that it can be there. They could preserve their own identity, their culture, etc. sir. So that was mainly the origin of Bodo issue, sir, which was actually very violent initially, sir.
Then, what is the agreement that is arrived at?
Sir, actually, sir, this was the third agreement with respect to Bodo issue, sir. So in third agreement, sir, actually all those groups, they have actually surrendered, and then they have all the 4 groups, they have come together and they have signed the accord. It was a tripartite agreement, sir, and they have agreed to remain peaceful, abide by the Indian Constitution, and in return, sir, the Bodo Territorial Authority, its presentation, its power has been increased, plus the package has been given, sir, for improvement of this, sir, for infrastructure development and also.
Good.
The last 1 year we have seen the upgradation of ITBP and SSB are being given the role of LIA, right? Local intelligence agencies. What is the role of LIAs? Why it has been given to ITBP and SSB?
Sir, ITBP and SSB, sir, they have actually, sir, sector specific.
Which sector
Which-
specific? Where are
Sir,
they?
SSB mainly in, sir, Nepal and Bhutan, sir, and ITBP it's further eastward, sir.
Where all? Which
Sir,
specific
Sir, with
sector?
sir, Tibet, it's, sir, Indo-Tibet border police, sir, so mainly in the Tibet region, sir.
Bordering?
Yes, sir, bordering
China,
sir, yes, sir,
basically,
bordering
right?
China, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is this duty of LA and LIA now given to them? Okay, henceforth they will be performing the duties of LIA also.
Sir, actually, sir, I can only guess, sir. I cannot
Guess always is correct.
Thank
Make
you,
a guess. Make a positive guess.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, ITBP.
Local intelligence agency. So
Yes.
if they are stationed there in that sector, what all they can do positively for gaining intelligence and how it should speak.
Yes, sir.
मारो कैसा भी.
Thanks. Sir, actually, since their role is sector specific, sir, they are very well aware of the terrain, the local population, and the common ideas and issues, sir. So if they perform the role of intelligence, they'll be better able to mingle with the people and extract or collect information rather than bringing in some.
तो तेरा
one
guess
extra.
तकरीबन दुरुस्त है यार.
Thank you, sir.
तो do it confidently. Take a pause. ठीक है, हिलना नहीं है. Good.
Chandan, you have used a word called there is some mythological importance regarding Gaya. Can you differentiate between mythology and historical importance? What is mythological importance and what is historical importance?
Sir, actually, mythology is something which is a myth, sir, with no historical proof. But actually, in recent, with respect to India, sir, we see that a lot many places there is actually an overlap between mythology and history, if I can say so.